Hey everyone, it's Tori back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get Forest with unlocked multiplayer. Before we proceed with the video, I would request all of you to subscribe to the channel and join the Discord server in the link in the description below. Without further ado, let's get into the video. First thing you want to do is go to Google Chrome and go to the link in the description below. You want to download this file and you want to open up BitTorrent. Once you've downloaded it, and add a torrent. You want to add the torrent that you have downloaded. Since I'm already downloaded it here, I'm not going to add it. So once you've downloaded it, you want to go to where you have downloaded it to, which mine happens to be here and in here. Now you want to double click on the Forest build and type in online-fix.me. Now you want to extract this folder to wherever you want. I've already extracted it to the desktop here, so I'm not going to proceed with this. Now, once you have extracted it to the desktop, you want to find the forest.exe, right click, and run as administrator. Now, for the time being, I'm going to keep it as windowed so that my OBS will record it. Also, before you click play, you want to open Steam up so that you can play with your friends. Now click on play, and as you can see, Forest is working. Okay, how long does it take to load? Alright, so you can play multiplayer, you can join the game. As you can see, there's games up here. You can join one. Right. See, the game's working. Yay. Okay, I'm gonna close the game now. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video and if it helped you, please consider subscribing as I said before, and drop a like on the video. Thanks for watching. Peace.